You can create your own assignment from scratch or use a template. Here's how to build an assignment from scratch. Use the filters to find the questions you need, or type a keyword into the search box. Hide any questions you've already used this academic year, so you never set the same question twice. Click a question to add it, or drag and drop it into your assignment. If you're short on time, use our Pick For Me feature to automatically add questions based on your search. If you're working on a small screen, switch to compact mode and expand to reorder your questions more easily. Once you're happy, click Set Assignment and fill in the details. You can assign to multiple classes at the same time, which will create separate assignments for each class. Next, select your start and end dates. Once set, copy the shareable link to post on your school's learning platform. The new assignment appears in your assignments list. You can also share the assignment as a template, so your colleagues across your school can use it. If you're not ready to set your assignment yet, you can save it as a draft. Drafts live in the Drafts section, where you can preview, edit, print, or share them with a quick link. To create an assignment from a template, find the one you want, click Set Assignment, and fill in the details.